So out here on a job today in Helensburgh for a customer who is with fibre to the node, NBN. Now he wanted me to replace his leading cable. His NBN not going to do it, size B. I thought that was the problem. But that goes to this pole here, and then it extends across to here. Now the customer was saying that every time it rains, he's having problems. I just want to show you something. So you can see here, I just popped this open. We haven't touched anything, but you can see the lids of the can, right? They've spliced into the cable to do some bypass work. And also down here as well, there's more splices in this cable. So every time it's raining, he's having this problem. And, you know, if you put one and one together, you can see this is going to equal 2, isn't it? So, yeah, I'm just going to go check the next one where this joins as well. So as you can see from that, the other pit, so that's the pole we were just at. And you can see there's no aerial cables linking. So the cables are going underground to the poles and then up the poles to the leading cables. So over here is where I just showed you that other pit. The other pit's buried, so I can't get in there and have a look. But come on, this is really bad. So that's where it is here. The customer's property is just here. Right, so NBN, get someone out here. Let's put the cover on it. You know, bloody hell.
Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.